Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. So today we are going to make some super fun, super easy, but really cute DIY magnets. Now these are mostly going to be nursing, and I'm using these planar resins that I'm showing you. I get them from AliExpress, and it's planar resin flatbacks, PLANAR resin flatbacks. Just put it in, they'll come up. And then I've also got a couple, little pieces that I'm going to use to make some different magnets. These magnets are from the Dollar Tree, and this little metal piece that they are attached to comes with them. Now I'm using resin on these to put them together. You can absolutely use E6000. I'm using resin because it does start to slip, and this way I can make it become solid very quickly and they don't slip out of place. And then also I'm going to do two of the magnets with some glitter on it, and then at the end I'll show you exactly what they look like. And this is so easy. You don't need me to talk through it. I just wanted to give you an idea. I'm using my Resin Rockers hard type resin, and I'm only using the resin to apply these, except for the ones that are going to be glitter. Then I mix the resin and the glitter and put it on. So I am going to just add some music to this, let you see it, and at the very end I'm going to show you all of them up close. I hope it's helpful. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day and a very happy Saturday. Bye friends.